Today I'm going to be using those envelope soaps I made the other day in 3 batches of soap. I did the same basic design, a one pot wonder, but I did it in 3 colors to match the 3 color envelopes I had made: pink, teal, and purple. I didn't know which video to show you, so you're getting snippets from each one that all together make a whole. So I hope you enjoy. Anyways, right now I am doing the one pot wonder. So I am doing a white, pink, white, darker pink color theme, and I'll do the same with the purple and the teal. I'm just mixing in the fragrance at the moment. I am using Love Spell from Nature's Garden. It's a pretty popular scent. I like it. It's a little bit of fruity, a little bit of floral. So you can see down on the bottom how I already have one of my envelopes in the mold. I thought that would work better than actually embedding it after the fact, because then I would be pushing on the swirls and I didn't want to do that. But the problem is that the envelope actually moved while I was pouring, and so it didn't quite end up in the position that I wanted. It's not the end of the world, it's still super cute, but yeah. If I were to do this again, I would just embed it after I finish pouring. So the one pot wonder is fairly simple. You saw add each color, pour back and forth. Now I am simply giving the top a little design by going back and forth to create a zigzag. Then I am going to embed the envelopes. I cut up little pieces and I'm just going to embed them right on top. The first batch, which you can see in the bottom corner, I actually put in on the side. This batch I'm putting them in the center. I like the center better. So I did the same thing with the teal. I embedded the little envelopes on top in the center. For the purple, I actually did something a little bit different. I had some leftover heart pieces from making the envelopes in the purple, teal, and pink. And I didn't really want to waste it, so I chopped it all up kind of into some soap fetty and then used that on top. And that came out pretty cute. And here we are cutting the teal soap. So I tried a couple different variations of the one pot wonder, meaning where I poured it in the pot. And it gave me different swirls. This one, the dark teal kind of all settled on the bottom. I think again that was because I had my envelopes already in and they kind of got pushed and whatnot. I actually like it. Like I'm not upset over it. It's just different than what I was expecting. I had some extra envelopes, so you can see I've got 2 envelopes instead of 1 in that batch. And here's the purple, where I added all those. You see those little chopped up hearts? I'm calling them soap fetty, heart fetty, I don't know. But I like it. I think it's just cute and it gives a little bit different look. Again, this one was a slightly different pour, and you can see I've got a slightly different pattern. Overall, I think they're cute and I love the 3 colors, especially all together.